Given an integer array nums of unique elements, return all possible subsets. The solution must not contain duplicate subsets. Return the solution in any order. So if you have this, it's going to give this, this, this. Okay. All right, so this looks like a recursion thing. Hang on. This is an older code. Right. So this looks like a recursion thing. So for example, right? If you have something like this, if you add another number, say 4, right? You're just going to take this plus, you're going to add to this. What are you going to add? You're going to add 4 by itself, right? Which would kind of be 4 with this one, and then the 4 with this one, 4 with this one, all the way to the end. So if you have 1, you can already give the other ones, right? Okay. So let's do this. If, all right, let's have this here. Look here. If nums equals this, just return nums, right? If length of nums equals 1, return, you should get some like this, and then nums 0, right? Something like this. And then after that, once you add numbers, you're gonna have, you add like, so this would be if num just had 1 in it, right? After that, once you add numbers, you're gonna add this to this, this to this, and then, Okay, so how do we turn this into logic, first of all? We're going to take the last number. Let's do n equals nums minus 1. This is the last number. And then we would, so let's say this is what it returned, right? So this is what we're going to take, we're going to do this recursively. So we're going to take subsets of nums is this going to, hang on a second, what is this going to give if we do this? Should I do -2 or -1 here? Nums. Yeah, all right. So this is what we should take. So we should take this one, which would be all the possibilities for nums without the last element, and then add the last element to it. All right. Okay, so we're gonna, let's say you have all the possibilities for a certain num. Just take the last letter and add it to each of these possibilities, right? It would be a sum like this. And then once you have the last number, just add it to each one of these. So subsets nums minus 1 will return the previous one's possibilities. I think we want to loop over this for n in what is it, the extend method? 1, 2, 3, extend 4. Is this the correct way to do it? Okay, hold on. The syntax here. Yeah, this is the way to do it. So, okay. So let's give this a better name. For line in subset nums, we're gonna let's declare another variable here. Let's say array equals this. Can we then do array dot append line dot extend n, and then array dot append line, and then in the end we're going to return this one plus the array, right? Yeah, I don't know. Is this going to work? Let's try it out. Yeah, so self dot subsets. Yeah, this seems like it's, oh my God. Nice. Okay. Good one.